Okay, students, welcome back. So here we're going to look at how to add two fractions without using a calculator. So the first thing we want to do is identify that it's going to be difficult really to add thirds and sevenths unless we can convert both those fractions into having a common denominator. So what we kind of want is we want a 7 above and below here. That's what I'm doing here. And we want a 3 above and below here. So effectively I'm really only multiplying by 1. And then this is just the example for understanding. So we're thinking about this and we're thinking, well, what that looks like is, if you just go back up to the original question, what we're looking at here is 2 times 7. So it's kind of a what do we call it, diagonal multiplication or a cross product. You do that cross product and then add on this cross product. Now, well, it doesn't matter what order you do them in. Later there'll be a minus, so let's do them this one first and then this one second. So it's 2 7s plus 3 5s, and of course the common denominator in both cases is the product here. So it's a bit like that first, then that, add them together on the top, and then do this for the denominator, 3. Okay, so here's another worked example without doing it for understanding, but for doing the process alone. We do 7 6s, we do 8 1s, we calculate 7 6s to 42, 8 1s is 8, and 8 6s is 48. We go ahead with the calculation, we get 50 over 48, and then that reduces to 25 over 24 as a simpler fraction. Okay, so in this worksheet you're going to be going kind of scaffolded worksheet. You'll be doing one step at it. You'll be doing one more step than the previous time. So I've done the 4 4s for you, the 9 3s, the 9 4s, but now we need to simplify, and then I've gone ahead and done the second last step as well, which is 4 4s is 16 and 9 3s is 27. So we just need to add these two numbers. Now you can take out your calculator and do that if you like. The whole reason we're doing all this anyway is in the next worksheet here we're going to be doing it with algebra. So there's no point in, it's all about understanding. No point worrying out how to do this. Use the calculator if you have to. I think that's 30. Then we get up to 43 over 36. Now if you flick the sheet over, at the back there's the exact answer with all the lines that you were supposed to fill done out for you. Okay? And as we move on, I'm going to start giving you the answers here. So this is a worked example, but we need to do the last two steps. So let's go ahead. You should go ahead and do that. It'll be 16. Now you first of all kind of shadow your way down through all the steps. So you have 2 8s is 16, 7 5s is 35. Now let's get them filled in. That's one of the steps I need to do. And 7 8s is still 56. It hasn't changed. So 40 51 I think here over 56. That's 3 17s. There isn't any of them there. That's reduced. Okay, so here you'll see in the answer sheet, if you flicked it over, you would see that there. See? The back of your sheet. So it's great. So the next one we're going to do is complete all steps for this 37 for the next sum, which is up here. Does it really complete all steps? Oh, I'm on the back. Yeah, you see. Okay, so I'm going to go 3 9s. I'm going to start my fraction bar. I'm going to go 3 times 9. The reason we prefer the brackets over the time symbol is that we're going to be using the algebra now in a minute. Plus 5 times 2 over 5 times 9. Okay, 27 plus 10 over 45. 37 over 45, and yippee, it's correct. Okay. 4 plus 6 over 8. 10 over 8 reducing to 5 over 4. Okay, etc. Well, I'll just give you one sign off with one full process. So it's a visual process. We're doing this product like picking up that plus, if you like, between them, because later we'll be picking up a minus. 6 by 4, if it's a minus, over 6 by 7. Okay, that'll be 35 and 24. That'll be 42. Simplifying the numerator is 59 over 42. Sure, that's a prime number, so nothing's going to come out of that. And there it is. I'll let you do that one yourself. See you in the next one.